Hello everybody, Brian Kirby here. So you just got your brand new BearX Impact CDXV and you need to know how to assemble it. Well, this video, it's for you. We're gonna go over step by step on how to assemble this crossbow and get it range ready. First thing you're gonna do is make sure the cable slide is properly attached to the cable and moved off to the side. Now mate the front end of the stock assembly. Make sure you use the plastic spacer in between the riser and the stock. Carefully slide the cable slide into the stock assembly. Apply slight downward pressure if needed. I found that it helped to put some slight downward pressure on the cable to help get that slide in place. Install and tighten the riser bolt firmly. Always be careful not to strip out the threads. Flip the crossbow upside down and install the riser bolt set screw. This will keep your riser bolt in place. Flipping the crossbow back right side up, install the riser support screws. Then install the rotating quiver tube. For some of these parts, I did use a dab of blue Loctite. Then install your quiver's quick release mount. Then adjust its position according to your preference and tighten it down. Bear does include a pretty nice crossbow scope with this model, but I already had this Vortex crossbow scope and mounted this one on. Make sure when you mount your scope that the crossbow itself is level and your scope is level when done. Before shooting your crossbow, lubricate the string servings and rail with the provided lubricant. To prevent string wear, you're going to want to do this every 10 to 15 shots. Make sure there's slight room between the string and the string stop. There should be enough room to slide a piece of paper in between the two. If your string is pressed too tightly against the string stops, it'll cause excessive vibration. This should go without saying, but remember, do not fire a crossbow without a bolt in place, and always make sure your fingers are clear of the string when firing it. And that's it. You're all assembled, ready to go. Make sure you follow your shooting safety instructions and get this out to the range and dialed in.